Got you, the helicopter boy. Oh my gosh. Go off so fast.
Don't hit the fan! Look at more. He's like, what the heck?
Grammy walking by. Now, can you go over toward Alexander? Whoa, you're coming toward me. Whoa!
Oh no! I got it. That was a crash landing. Now let's try that again, where I can cancel. Hey, no, put it on the table.
Wait, it would be awesome if I actually get it up there.
Do that some other time. Don't do it today, okay?
Yeah.
Good luck. That's a nice takeoff.
Whoa. Fresh car. Wait. Do it this way.
He is. Perfect. Smile, Alexandra.
What?
Smile. Smile. Pilot. Very good.
Pilot.
Okay,
Co-pilot.
Excellent.
love the catcher.
Thank you.